Hello family, here I am at the Edgewater Community by True Homes. This is the links portion of the community. There's 5 different communities in this huge planned unit development that is absolutely massive. It is almost like resort style living, 45 minutes to 55 minutes outside of Charlotte. Now this Vale is a ranch and a half floor plan with 3 bedrooms downstairs and 1 loft and a big bedroom upstairs. Now, before I forget, be sure to download my free guide for all things Charlotte and Charlotte area. It is your go-to resource for living in and around the Charlotte area. It's in the description and the first pinned comment. So like most traditional ranches you see in the Charlotte area, you have 2 bedrooms right up front. Now, I want to be your go-to real estate agent, real estate advisor, all things North and South Carolina. Please keep me in mind. I am here to help and be a resource. Now, you can get homes in this community in Edgewater by True Homes in Lancaster for as little as $400,000, and you can get crazy. You can go up to $800,000 if you so choose, but at that $400,000 price point, entry point, you get an amazing deal, amazing value in the community with award-winning golf courses. It has everything you can need. It's almost insulated. It is insulated amongst itself to where once it's all completed and done, you do not need to leave this community if you don't want to. And it is right on the lake, so you have access to boats, to docks. It really is a resort, just 45 to 55 minutes outside of Charlotte. So we just saw upstairs the loft area, the full bathroom, the large bedroom. Now we're going to the main living area. Now True Homes delivers an amazing product. And once you go into their design center, you realize you can customize just about everything. From structural to design features, you can customize. Now this laundry room is right here because there's an upstairs, but if there was no upstairs to this floor plan, you can choose to have it as just a true ranch, the laundry room would be on the other side, the foyer hallway. That big white cast iron farmhouse sink, beautiful backsplash. And this is perfect for entertaining. You can have all your guests, family, loved ones all here in the middle of the home, enjoying conversation and enjoying each other's company. And then it's indoor-outdoor living. You can screen in this porch, and you have fans out here. A true oasis. Now wait till you go into the owner's suite right here, and you see this huge vaulted ceiling. Look at this. This is not normal, not common, truly extraordinary. This is your owner's suite. And what I like about this Vale floor plan is that you have 2 primary closets, one over there and one right opposite of it. If you have any questions, interested, want to learn more about Lancaster, the Edgewater community, I will have other videos regarding Edgewater and other floor plans, but reach out to me. I would love to help you. My client recently bought one of these floor plans, and it really checks off a lot of boxes and fits their needs. And you can see the different upgrades they have in here. The tile shower with the tile shower bed. Reach out to me, love to talk to you and find the home perfect for you.